Need some water. Actually, we'll just heat it all at the same time. We're going to make two.
Do that you later.
I do.
Sorry, I just had my thumb over the camera. My hand.
I thought there was a bone sitting next to me. I was like,
Gross. My lighter got submerged.
did it?
Yep.
It's okay.
All better. You like the bucket hat? It's a little tight, but
Yeah. This is that ginger sesame rice.
that stuff's hot.
Oh!
Man, I can smell it.
Oh, yeah.
Drop the camera.
This is that sweet one month white bean corn chowder. Yeah, this stuff is right. This stuff right here.
This is the good stuff. This is what we normally have.
Yeah. Stuff is good.
Dude, when that stuff splashes, it wrecks you, dude.
And now we wait.
You might like to see these ingredients in the back of these. Let's see the directions. I guess the ingredients are on the front. Yeah.
The ingredients are in front, yeah.
Always like us some sriracha. Cook with some good essential water. We could even go as far as, like, I've got water filtration stuff. Like, we could go as far as practicing water filtration stuff for our own water sometimes. Some of these creeks, though, I'm not too sure about these creeks as far as agricultural runoff. A lot of water purification stuff doesn't handle too well with chemicals. It handles okay with the cryptosporidium and the other bacterial type stuff that can mess up your stomach, but as far as chemicals, it doesn't do so well.
Ah, dang it. This one might do okay. Nice. All the way across. Probably can't see it, but there's a little white rock.
Did you get that on camera?
Yep.
The deer?
The deer?
Yeah.
I didn't see a deer.
Really? Dude, it jumped across the stream. It was a little further down there, where it first starts to cut in. It jumped straight across.
No way.
Landed on the rocks and just kept running.
I don't
There
believe
were
you.
two of them. There was a mama and a baby. Or dad.
Nah. Terrible at skipping while I have a camera in my hand.
Yeah, kid. Wow, that tree is just fixing to fall over again. It already fell over once.
It's dead.
Yeah.
Yeah,
This thing?
There's no this tree right here. There's no top to it at all.
Yeah.
It's already dead. Yeah, it's pretty
That's
rotted.
insane.
Kicked off.
It's fallen over once and it's about to fall over again.
Oh, dude.
You might just be able to push the thing over.
Yeah, you could.
I don't know. I think there's still quite a bit of stuff that's sturdy in the middle.
Is there? I don't know. Cut off about
I just
half the center mass.
Right.
rubbed my face in some
It
mud.
is
Dude.
shaking.
We should totally do it.
Is it shaking?
It's not that
It
big.
looks like it's shaking.
It stops right there.
Oh yeah.
Let me get out. Like, let me get a different view. Over you guys pushing it.
I think we can topple this thing down.
There you go. Get a rock at it.
I do it from this side. Alright. Oh, I'm sorry.
You're right. Let's stand over here. It's a little safer.
Yeah, that's it. Oh, that's steady.
Let me try. Yeah, that stuff's pretty steady right there.
Well, you're kind of cutting off that edge right there. See? And now we're... There. Start working a little over here.
Yeah.
It's wobbling, for sure.
Yeah. Hey, watch out
Dude,
here.
dude.
There it goes.
It's cracking. I heard it.
Momentum.
Yep.
Just as soon as it starts to fall, just get away real quick.
Yeah.
So it doesn't like jackknife on you or something, whatever they call that. There it goes. Get away. Get away. Dang.
Look at that. Yeah, that would have hurt.
More than a little. Hey, let's eat lunch. I think lunch is ready. Ooh, we could sit on this. Nice.
Yeah, cool.
You guys made a bench for us. Great.
Uh-huh.
Can we roll it over? Roll it over to where it's on flat ground? Here, hold this. Me and CJ are going to roll it over.
Okay.
Oh, good.
That's what's
Like, it's
left.
got this like red.
So help Daddy roll it. Get on the other side.
No, this side. Oh, come up here.
He's pulling it to where we can have it flat. There you go. Keep going.
There we go.
That's good.
Yeah, it's like just one big square hole in there. That's probably woodpecker.
Oh, dude, that is woodpecker. That's straight up woodpecker.
Yeah.
Huh.
That's hilarious. Let's see if we can see anything in there.
That's those other ones. Look, there's a bunch of them.
Wait.
Look, there's a bunch of them.
Look at this one.
Alright, let's eat.
Oh, almost dropped it, dude. Holy crap.
Good place to set up the camera. Good view right there. Make the woodpecker hole our sriracha holder.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yep.
Does anybody want to do this without sriracha?
Yep.
Freshest it's used before 2018. Well, we're lucky, Daddy. We barely made it.
Yeah.
It's a nice little bunch.
This looks pretty good.
We had that with
Look at
Fox
that.
already, right?
Right, got it in the tree.
Hmm?
Little hole. I keep on like this. What? What? Dude, some like native people could totally, like really primitive native people could totally drill really good holes in this.
Mm-hmm.
Probably not that very much, but
We'll look at Finn's technology. How he made his little turbo thingy.
Oh, that,
That thing for the fire. little turbine.
What is this one? The ginger sesame rice.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, my foods are also available in bulk. Yes. It's apparently what Mary Jane says.
Well, you can buy it in a big pack.
Did you put sriracha in this? Dude, that tastes so much better with the sriracha.
We had it with sriracha last time.
Mm-hmm.
Over there,
Yeah, the trail's not too far from us.
Oh, like
Anyway, they come in bigger packs, and then what you can do is get like some Ziplocs and separate the stuff yourself.
That's pretty nice. Why can't we just get around my food? There's no oil over there by that food. In that direction, at least. Not
What is it?
actually by that route.
What is it?
People.
Oh.
Where the sound is
Yeah, I
coming
can
from.
hear them. Yeah, they sound like they're over there.
Like
Oh, I
by
see
those
'em.
trees.
Mhm.
Right?
They're right there, dude.
Alright.
They're on the trail, but
Can you see them? Yep, I can see them.
Yep. What we got? Dude, I wonder if I got that in. I would say no.
I wonder if there's the boom of the tree.
oh,
It's been a little bit.
if a tree falls and no one's around there to hear it, does it still make a sound? Is that how it goes?
No.
Where's our bottle of water?
If your boy opens a cold one in the forest and no one's there to hear it, it's still a cold one.
No. If they grow over the deer in the forest, it's still a cold one. By himself and living right here. It's still a cold one.
Each is your turn, and you go.
I like this. That other stuff was just way too hot.
What other stuff?
Just need to cool down.
Black bean?
Yeah.
Just get over it.
Oh well, there's the gate opening. No, it's just a little woodpecker hole. I'll stick my hand in. My hand in it.
Oh!
Yep. Fascinating.
It doesn't take a second. I'm just trying to get just barely over the camera.
When are y'all gonna hit? This is where the 3D glasses comes in.
Yeah. Put your 3D glasses on now.
Oh, that was pretty close. That was really close. Darn.
Dude, that probably looks so sick seeing these
It just nicked the phone.
I need one of you guys to throw a rock into general direction because I need to see what it looks like on the camera. Dude, you can't even see them. Oh, you can see those ones. Alright.
Only the small rocks.
I painted my rock red, so I know who I hit.
Yeah. Throw them down, like right before the camera. Oh, that one was close. That one was going pretty fast though. Maybe not even see it.
He's trying to bite me too, look at it.
Wow.
Yeah, you see me? Because I see you. Oh, he did see me. He tried to jump at me.
Oh, really? He tried to jump at you? Dude, he is risky. I wonder if he's been taking any medicine for his legs. That's some risky behavior.
You got a gambling problem?
Risky behavior.
You see that? He stood up at my back.
He's like,
That medicine is so funny though because like it
I'll beat
causes
you up.
risky behavior.
Yeah,
What's risky? That's like an
Anything.
opinion.
anything. Gambling, picking up prostitutes. It's all risky
Dude.
behavior.
it could be anything.
Oh, that was sick. It almost hit.
Dude, if you're a cop, you could not arrest someone. That would be really risky.
Oh, this is the chowder. What's up?
Dude, it's still hot.
Really?
Don't one of these you drain or something? Because this one's really super.
That was
You
the
drain the eggs.
that was the eggs.
I think that we put a lot of water in it this time.
In the bean.
Yeah.
Super, super.
So this is video worthy. You're right. This was a woodpecker hole. We burned some stuff, threw some stuff down there, and then bored this hole through here to connect it.
Dude, that's like crucible hot, dude. That just sounds mean.
Yeah,
Dude, it's hot by the hole.
That's when you can start putting stuff in
that's what she said.
That is a very hot hole.
This is blowing it again.
Throwing stuff in there now.
Dude, there's smoke coming out of this hole over here. Look, here again. I didn't do it this time.
I'm just not gonna. See this guy, dude.
Dude, yeah, that is sick. Some dude's gonna come out here and be like, oh yeah, someone already did like a little pan for me. Imagine cooking your stuff on top of this, dude.
We can come back to this exact same location. Actually, use this to cook with later in the
Put this
future.
as point of interest on your map.
What we could do is we could blow through this way and sear up this hole a little bit, and then we can reverse it back.
Dude, that
just
is
to get all this
so
stuff
sick.
in here already right here.
All right, good to go.
Man, that's getting my lips hot.
It didn't steam as much this time, dude. I'm telling you, last time there was steam like rolling off this part of your hair. It was like. There it goes. It did it that time. It did it that time.
That was fun. Yeah. get like a hole through the log, you can get yourself a pot. If you cover the hole right here, it'll expand so that it can get out.
Well, that's the deal, though. If you put a pot over top of that right there, you still got air coming in through the bottom.
Yeah.
It'll still fuel it.
Like a little incense thing.
Yep, here we go. Woo! She's spitting back. Back up a little bit. There we go. This was a pretty eventful exploration. We made a nice campfire. We found some stuff. Not very much glass, but we found some other glass.
Dude, that was crazy. We got that thing throwing out blue flames like a torch. We had it running.
Nice and hot.
That would keep us through the night. We could keep that log burning.
Easy.
Actually, what we could have done is we could have burned it from the bottom up. So once you start
Oh,
the hole,
true. Yeah, just keep going up.
tip it up
Right.
so that it burns up.
Ever curious what it sounds like to walk across?
Huh. That'd be a good spot to build a little dam.
Yeah, it would.
What time is it?
It's over 2 o'clock.
Oh.
Look how round that is.
Dude, that's
We
probably
could definitely do this.
Oh. You know what? It might be, but still, it's like, it's pretty small, incredibly small. But hey, we're cracking it open. On something.
Break it on that cinder block.
This will break the cinder block.
Yeah. I meant break the cinder block.
Now I don't know where the other piece went.
I saw one piece go this way. Is that a piece of it right there? Yeah, that's a piece of it right there. Look.
Not seeing it.
Oh, there it
Right
is.
there.
Wow.
Hmm.
Pretty straight through.
It's pretty cool.
It was going to be a geode.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
got some crystalline.
Yeah, it's got some crystalline structure in there.
But it's super small.
Look how still the water is.
I know, that's what I was just looking at.
I gotta pee.
Hey, look, my pants are dry.
Mostly.
Pretty much. I mean,
Those other people we saw go, dude.
That was cool. Hey, piece of glass.
Hey.
Coca-Cola.
Woo. First piece of glass.
That's a good piece of glass too. Look, it's all dinged up.
Put it in their pocket.
Another piece of glass.
Another one. Another one.
And another one.
Okay.
I don't know. Is that metal or concrete?
Yeah.
Metal?
Yeah.
Daddy, check this one out. Wow. That's a pretty open area.
Yeah, it is. I think we should go that way. Whoa.
Another
It's
one.
a really round rock with a hole in it.
Wow, that goes way deep in there. Which direction do we turn?
I think we should go that way.
Oh, okay.
Let's go over here so we can cross.
It's funny seeing deer walk through here. They're just like. This is sick looking anyway.
I wonder if the people are messing with our log.
Probably not.
I think they are. I think they're self-selling them.
This would be a nice way to set up a little chair right here and just kind of hang out. Sunbird and reed. It's like
Did it pop?
I got chipped. It's just all brown on the inside.
Hmm. Hey, a bridge. I think that's where we're gonna get out. We're gonna get out right there by that bridge.
We normally do.
Then we found a good piece of purple. Or pole.
Oh, nice. Oh, fish.
Holy crap, so many fish. Just like salmon in Alaska, when it shows the bears like smacking at the fish.
Right. Yeah, there's all kinds of pieces of coal. Well, I think that's what would happen is these trains would go over these bridges and just little chunks of coal would fall off every now and then. But the coal you're finding right there has been all polished by the creek though. I think when they pull it out of the ground it's all jagged.
This has been polished, dried out, soaked, dried out, polished, like a piece of plastic. That's what I'm actually
water level going down. This stuff is almost dry.
Yeah.
Pretty funny looking. Hey, someone got a pebble stack going. Okay, there was a pile of fish over there. A bird was way up there, but his shadow scared the fish, and they said wherever the shadow was. Like, they were that quick to avoid it.
Yeah, freaking out. Paranoid little things. Ready to get out of here?
Dude, it stinks on that bird. Let's get out of
Yeah,
here. Definitely.